So, we're back in the workshop. Still have a big list of stuff to do. When I get inside tonight, I'll make a full list of what we need to do before it goes. So we kind of have like one more day left in finishing everything and tidying it all up. Yeah, test went well. Now we're just going to look at the car after driving it and see if we can see anything. But very productive day. Still lots to do. We must put in the side windows and the front. We need to just do quite a few little things like safety things for drift masters, working the power steering, and a general nut and bolt check. So I'm exhausted, like so are the lads. We just went for some pizza and now we all feel struggling. So I think we'll try to get some rest tonight because it was a crazy push to make the test today. Everyone deserves a holiday after Italy, that's for sure.
I thought Italy was the holiday.
So we're just after taking the car off the scales. Okay, so I had a big meal. Ate a huge pizza, garlic chip and cheese with some curry and a can of Coke and water. So I'm quite bloated right now. And the car worked out at 1,400 kilos, which is, I think, 3,080 pounds. The FD car is 3,240 roughly, so quite a bit lighter. There's still some areas where we could probably save long term, but it's lighter, weight balance is nice for the tires that we run in Drift Masters, and very happy. Yeah, it's really cool after seeing the exhaust light looking down here. If you look up and see how the color just changes from the heat and it gets colder as you go back, well, like the X pipe really gets hot.
That's really cool though, after like what, 5 laps at Watergrass?
5 laps in a dyno session. So yeah, huge shout out again to Bill for making the headers and Board of Performance for the custom exhaust. It's really sick. My God, this car is kind of finished. I won't know what to do after Drift Masters. Drift Masters car. It's officially the last night with the car at home. We're all kind of stuck in doing last minute jobs, making sure we're not forgetting anything, and yeah, it's hard to believe we're at the finish line of the build. One more night. Still a lot, like not a lot, but a lot of last minute, tidying up things, ready for tech inspection, ready for everything, all the safety stuff done. And we also need to organise all our spare parts, so we're building a frame to carry spare parts and the pits and things like that. Then we need to go through everything, like measure for toe arms, for camber arms, front and rear for the toe arms, so we can have spares kind of preset. One last check through the car, nut and bolt check on the ram, and then she's going. But right now we just got these sweet spoke stickers from Moose for Stram custom forged wheels. Looks pretty cool. Luminous orange. Oh, I'm tired though. I'm tired, the whole team is tired, but we pulled it off.
How are we feeling?
Late. Under pressure for time, but just making sure we have everything. There's so many parts, so many things. So we have like just getting our spares ready, our pit cart ready. Car is pretty much ready. A few small things. Then we got this box with all like spares and organising all that kind of stuff. So we're a little bit late. We should be on the road now, but hopefully we'll be on the road in an hour. Hello.
Everything looks good.
Right, so the last piece of the puzzle. We know we're going well when we're putting on the RTR badge. Sweet.
Thank you. It's the pizza diet for the last 5 weeks, huh?
Burgers.
Lots of burgers, lots of curry chicken cheese. Well, she's more than a sheep. So this is it. Final time. Loading up from HQ. Yeah, onto Drift Masters Ireland.
Yeah.
So it's got 3 events before it comes back to HQ. And it's brand new out of the box. So we're hoping have it as dialed. We got 5 laps of testing at Kart World and it felt good. So now we can be fine-tuning and practice for Drift Masters. Don't think we're going to get a lot of practice, but we'll do our best. Next stop, Drift Games. So, just arrived at Kern Motors with the Tomas Falvey's rig all loaded up with Dave's Supra and Connor Falvey's S15. We're about to unload the Mustang, put it in the Drift Games truck. So, Drift Games are looking after logistics this year for us. We got 2 vans full of parts, spares and tools, and of course the Ford Mustang RTR. So time to get unloaded. What time is it? Like 11 p.m. Friday night. Let's get this girl on her way. That's very bright.
All dirty, bro.
That's because I rolled around the ground to make it look like I was doing a lot of work.
Graphics on these.
There's no skinny V8 like.
You're all wet. Dude.
So that's it. It's officially loaded and heading on its way to Drift Masters in Italy. Cannot believe we're at the finish line. I almost feel like a bit emotional because we got this car, as you know, 6 weeks ago today, and now it's everything loaded, everything packed for full season of Drift Masters. And yeah, we worked so hard on this, as you all know. Once again, a huge thanks to my team. Like, we've asked a lot out of them over the last few weeks. Working early mornings all the way into the night, 6-7 days a week. It was a real push, especially this last week, just getting all the spares ready, finishing the car. Super proud that we actually pulled this off. We weren't making it up that this was a real challenge. It really was a serious challenge, and huge thanks to everyone for helping me make this come together in the time that we had. So obviously RTR, the whole team over there, getting us all the parts, Harney's with the fabrication, Bill with the exhaust, Paul Toomey with the wiring, you know, obviously my whole team, my family, Becky for having the patience to see me this busy for this long. I haven't even seen her since Long Beach, so there was just no choice. We had to be fully stuck in every single day, but we did it. Lucas, you killed it with the videos, thank you very much. And now it's in the hands of the Drift Games logistical team. Bring it safely to Italy. We're very happy that we managed to fit everything inside. There's hell of a lot of stuff in there. Gonna be in Drift Masters in just a few days. So next stop, Drift Masters, let's go.
Now I need my safe place. Take me from the race I'm in. Oh, we thought the fast pace is what allows me to stay in tune. But I did forget mine. Can't choose you. Don't forget yourself too.
So we're here at HQ, not where we're supposed to be. We're supposed to be on the way to the airport now for Drift Masters Italy, but unfortunately the first round was cancelled. Obviously the Pope died, which was very unfortunate, on Easter weekend. The funeral is scheduled to be the same event day as Drift Masters. So unfortunately all sporting events had to be cancelled in Italy. A very sad time for the religious community, and yeah, for all of us people that were heading to Drift Masters. You know, fans had their flights booked, tickets, hotels, everything like that. Obviously all the drivers and teams are on the way there now with their cars and setups. Our own car, the Mustang, is 1 hour away from the track at the moment, so we're already set to go. Sucks because, you know, we put in a lot of effort over the last 6 weeks, as you know, to make the first event. Yeah, it was supposed to be a big debut, and obviously another few days would have been nice to finish the last bits and pieces without being under so much pressure. So yeah, it also sucks for the series. Obviously they put a lot of time and effort into organising the first ever Italian GP. Very disappointing because I know how hard Drift Masters are pushing to make the best events possible, but it's out of all of our control. Now the car is currently on the way back to Spain for the second round, which is now going to be the first round, and we won't see the car until the week of Madrid. It is what it is. This is life. Huge thanks to all our partners for supporting and understanding this situation, for not just me but all the drivers and the championship. These things are totally out of our control. I know Drift Masters are going to put everything into making Spain the kickoff event of the season the best it can be, and we're all pumped to be there. I cannot wait to jump behind the wheel of our European RTR Spec 5 Drift Masters Mustang. It's going to be wild, and we just have to wait a little bit longer than we thought. Now we got some spare time. We obviously cleaned up the workshop. It's looking mint again, and thinking about what to do next. Obviously Formula Drift Atlanta is coming up in a couple of weeks, and it's the week after the Spain, so it's going to come around really quickly, but I have a few fun ideas here while we wait. So thank you for watching the whole build series of the Mustang. We're super proud of how it all came together. Really appreciate the support online. Now we just have to wait a few more weeks than we planned, but yeah, we can't wait to debut that car at Drift Masters, and we are very excited about it. So huge thanks for the support, and we'll see you in next week's video.
can't choose you.